Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to design your very own custom jigsaw puzzle, you're definitely in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create a jigsaw puzzle using Canva, a super accessible free online tool. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your puzzle from scratch, get that satisfying jigsaw overlay, and bring your favorite photo or design to life as a real printable puzzle. So let's jump right in. First things first, open up Canva in your web browser. You don't need any special software or skills for this, just head over to canva.com. If you don't already have an account, it only takes a minute to sign up and it's free. Once you're logged in, look for the button that says Create a Design. Give it a click and you'll see a bunch of template options pop up. But today, we want to take full control over our puzzle's size. So instead of picking a template, click on the Custom Size option, usually found toward the bottom of the drop-down menu. For our puzzle today, we're going to set the size to 100 by 100 pixels. Now you might be wondering, why such a small size? This specific dimension is just right for creating a sample or a digital puzzle overlay. It translates really well for a simple demonstration, but know that you can always experiment with larger dimensions if you want a bigger, print-ready version later on. Type 100 into both the width and height boxes and make sure the units are set to px for pixels. Then click Create New Design. After a few seconds, your new blank canvas should appear. Now let's add the image that's going to become the face of your puzzle. On the Canvas sidebar, click on Uploads if you want to use your own photo, maybe a family vacation, a pet, or your favorite landscape. Or if you're feeling creative, you can explore Canva's huge library of photos by clicking on Photos instead. Once you pick your image, drag and drop it onto your canvas, then right-click and set it as the background. This makes sure your image fills the entire space, giving your puzzle a complete look without any gaps or empty edges. Here comes the clever part, adding the jigsaw effect. On the left sidebar, scroll down and click on Apps. This is where Canva hides a lot of really fun, useful add-ons. In the Apps search bar, type Jigsaw. You should see a Jigsaw puzzle app or element pop up. Go ahead and click to select it. Sometimes Canva adds new puzzle effects or shapes, so feel free to browse and find the one that fits your style. Once you've chosen the Jigsaw element, drag it onto your design. It might come in pretty small, so to make it look authentic, click and drag the edges to resize the Jigsaw overlay so it covers your entire image. Don't worry if it takes a moment to get the fit just right. Move the overlay around until everything lines up and your puzzle looks good to you. Think of this step like placing the last piece in a real puzzle, just a little patience and you're there. And that's really it. You've just designed a custom jigsaw puzzle in Canva. You can download your creation and print it, or use it in a digital game, or even share it with friends and family. It's a fun way to turn your favorite memories and images into something interactive. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you have any questions or ideas for future Canva tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a creative project. Happy puzzling, and I'll see you in the next one.